Locksmith emergencies can happen anytime, anywhere. And when it does happen, you want a top-rated locksmith to come to your aid no matter where you are in San Diego. You need Busy Bees Locks and Keys. Jennifer, it's so great to meet you.
It's great to meet you too, Amber.
So Busy Bees serves all of San Diego County, right?
Absolutely. We have 4 locations across the county. We focus on automotive, commercial, residential, safes, car keys. We do it all.
And I know that mobile service is a really big part of what you do.
Absolutely. We have over 20 trucks. We've been in business since 2005, and we focus on customer service and taking care of people.
Amazing. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna buzz around the store a little bit.
Okay, sounds great. You might meet a friend.
Thank you.
All right,
bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. This place is the Bee's Knees. You gotta check them out.
Get your keys from the Bees, Busy Bees Locks and Keys. That's Busy Bees.